Hi everyone, it's Julo for Complex Philippines, and we're here right now with recording artist Matthias, and he's gonna give us a sneak peek into his personal sneaker collection. Let's see what he has in store for us. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, so we're here right now with Matheus in his sneaker room, sneaker/room, kung saan siya nagpoporma before a gig and before a main performance. And when he does his thing, he wants to be on top of it 100%. So tell me more about your sneakers, Matheus. Tell me about your daily rotation and what are your beloved kicks so far.
Yung collection ko, siguro marami dyan Jordan, mostly Jordan. Tapos sunod ko ay New Balance and onti lang yung Adidas ko.
Alright, so Matheus, can you tell us more about your top 5 sneakers here? Let's go from 1 to 5.
Sige, number 1, I really like this one. Ito, yung triple white na Air Force One. Yan.
Who wouldn't love a triple white Air Force One for anything?
And parang, for me, pag mas lumuluma yan, mas nagiging yellowish yung suot. Mas maganda tingnan, di ba?
Mas grimy.
May experience! May experience
Marami
siya.
ng pinagdaanan yan.
Ano na, sentimental value na. Kaya hindi ko siya mapamigay. Bumibili ako ng bago, pero hindi ko siya mapamigay kasi ito yung una kong triple white. Sentimental value. Siguro, ito yung shoe na naka-witness nung growth ko as an artist. And parang hanggang magka-hit song, simula walang hit song hanggang magka-hit song, ito yung kasama ko. Second in my list, itong Air Force One na Cactus Jack.
Okay.
Yan, madumi rin. So yung top 5 ko, yan yung napili ko, yung mga pinakagamit na gamit ko. Ito naman, sa gigs siguro, mas nagagamit ko rin to sa gigs. Kasi yung triple white ko, mas nagagamit ko siya sa daily, sa school, or bigla ang labas lang. Pero ito, mostly sa gigs talaga.
So ang ganda niya, iba't ibang panels, may suede, merong corduroy.
And yun nga, pag tinitingnan mo siya, parang ang hirap niya bagayan. Pero kapag sinuot mo na, hindi naman pala mahirap
earthy
bagayan.
tones madali siyang bagayan.
Yun yung maganda sa mga design ni Travis Scott. Magaling siya maghalo-halo ng kulay.
And now we're down to your third sneaker in your list. What's that third sneaker?
Itong Off-White Low na vulcanized. Recent lang to actually. And gift siya ng girlfriend ko.
Okay.
So, yung mga bigay ng girlfriend ko, binibigyan ko na ng importance, of course. And kaya nasa list ko, yan. And alam niya, favorite brand ko. Kagaya na sabi ko kanina, may bias ako sa Off-White.
Yeah.
So, yan, I really like this pair.
So you don't take the tag when you wear it? You don't take it off?
Okay nang ma-hassle basta nandyan.
Hirap lang talagang linisin ng white no? But the more you wear it, the more it ages, the more it looks vintage, the more okay.
Siguro ako sobrang dahil kung maglinis ng sapatos. Kasi for me, pag malinis, mas mahirap gamitin. Ewan ko, sa akin lang siguro, sa isip ko lang, ang bago.
Masyadong mukhang bago.
Kaya pag may bumili ako, kahit grail yung shoe, or kahit na alam kong mahal, suotin ko agad to. Dudumi ako or i-crease ko agad.
Gray and white.
Makikita sa sa mga sapatos ko kung ano yung pinaka ginagamit ko. Pag mas madumi siya, mas gamit na gamit ko. Ibig sabihin, paboritong pair ko yan.
So given that, ano yung fourth in your list?
Fourth in my list, I think it's the Dunks.
Yes, the Off-White Dunks.
Off-White Dunks.
Nag-release sila nito ng marami.
Yung may lot.
Lot 1 to 50, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Different subtle changes in colorway, but they actually look the same.
Yung iba kasing color, hindi ko gusto yung combination. Ang ganda lang tignan na pastel. So, ito sa gigs din to. Actually, sa gigs din. Kasama ng Cactus Jack. Ito sa gigs din. Nagagamit ko rin dahil bukod sa maganda yung kulay niya, it's my favorite brand. Ito nga, may gas-gas lang.
Okay lang yan.
Pero okay lang kasi
ginagamit mo sa
ginagamit.
patos mo, diba?
Pag naluma din, ganun din, masisira din. Sirain ko na lang in my own way.
Okay, let's go to your fifth. Last but not the least.
Last pair.
Last but not the least.
Ito yung yung one of the recent pairs din na I got.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, itong New Balance 550s na to. I like it kasi may New Balance 550 na evergreen. Pero hindi ako makahanap ng size ko and sobrang mahal na ng resell. So, nag-release nito, nakuha ko siya SRP sa New Balance BGC. And kamukha naman siya ng evergreen. I think darker lang to ng onte pero ganun din. It's green.
Pwede rin yung pang basket no? Kaya.
Malambot. Eto, actually, sa lahat ng pinakita ko dun sa top 5 ko, ito yung pinaka-komportable.
Sa ankle.
Yeah, yung foam. May foam siya dito and malambot
It's
yun.
not that low.
Yeah, it's not that low and madaling bagayan kasi earthy tones din.
Like with things that you're really into, sneakers, music, and how does this lifestyle inspire you on a daily basis to always do your thing and keep on keeping on?
Siguro para sa akin, just be you. Parang sa sapatos. Wala naman tamang formula dyan kung anong dapat suotin mo sa outfit na to.
Yeah.
Wala ka naman dapat sundin. Kung gusto mo to suotin sa araw na to, kahit hindi bagay sa outfit mo, just do you. Kasi yun naman yung, kung saan ka masaya.
For sure.
Kung saan ka masaya. Basta wala ka na pa ibang tao.
Kung mo pakinggan yung mga netizens, kung ano yung gusto mo, kung ano yung gusto nyo, gawin nyo.
And malay mo, kaka-experiment mo, yun pala yung maging bagong trend
sure.
na ang ganda pala.
Diba?
Ganda pala tignan bigla.
Kaya yun yung mahirap, di ba? Like, but also, like, sa lahat sa mga nakikita nyo online because it's all saturated, always have your own personal style in what you bring to the table.
Of course.
Kung kahit sobrang trip siya ng maraming tao, kung
Di
deep
mo trip.
inside, di mo trip, di mo kailangan bilhin yun.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, spend wisely.
Yeah.
Matthias, baka pwede namang mag-featuring na ako sa next music video mo. What do you want me to do? Baby, I want you.
Siyempre, gawa muna natin ang single si J-Dog. J-Dog! Yun na, tas R&B, J-Dog na R&B.
Malay
mo,
mag-pop, diba?
hindi natin alam. Kaya sabi ko, experiment lang.
Tapos, kung kailangan mo ng hook na R&B, let me know lang.
Yeah, sample.
Baby, I want you back right now. Baby, I want you back right now.
You know we love can teach me out. J-Dog, everybody!
That's what's up!
J-Dog!
Thank you, Mateus.
Thank you so much.
For your
Thank you,
time.
man.
Thank you for a sneak
Thank you
peek
so much.
into your personal sneaker collection.
Thank
We
you
had
so
such a good time, and I hope you had a great time as well.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. We out. Thank you from Complex Philippines.